everybody, this is Peter Beckenham, the Village Marketer, and as always talking to you from my little tiny village way up near the Cambodian border. And I'm just hoping that people can hear me and see me, because I'm on an old PC, not on my phone, not on a laptop, just on a PC. So I just want to, for those watching on replay, hang in there with me just for a moment to make sure I'm actually going live. My topic for today, F words, massive marketing magic. F word, massive marketing magic. Okay, so let's see. Can anybody hear me or see me? Ooh, this doesn't look good. This doesn't look good. Jackie, oh Dave, can you guys hear me? Just tell me this. Can you hear me? Just say Y or N. First on my, hey David, thank you for coming. Yeah. Can you hear me? That's all I want to know. Yes or no? I can hear you. Beautiful. Okay. Thank you very much for those who are watching this in replay. Sorry about the long start. Okay. Hey Cornelia, thanks for joining. Great to see you too. Okay. Benjamin, good to see you. Oh wow, fantastic. Okay. Yes, I can. Thank you very much. Good. My topic. F word, massive marketing magic. Now, I am not obviously going to say the word you think I'm going to say, right? But I've got, there's magic marketing in some F word. In fact, there's 10 of them. 10 magic marketing words, all starting with a letter F, all right? And it's not that naughty word, okay? I don't even use that word in conversation, to be quite frank. The first one, fear. Fear. Everyone involved in marketing has one fear in particular. Sooner or later, it's all about prospecting. Because if you've got no one to talk to, you've got no one to sell to, and you've got a prospect. So the first bit, I'm going to go quickly. This is not a training session, okay? This is a bit of fun, okay? So the first thing is fear. And it's usually a fear of prospecting and a fear of rejection, okay? The second one is find. You've got to find the right audience. There's no point in you just talking to every man and his dog, right? You've got to find a target audience, right? That's very important. And this target audience is one you must be able to resonate with, understand, relate with, and know what they're on about, and know their hopes, needs, fears, and aspirations. And Ed, thank you for joining. Fantastic. So, fear. Find them. Next one, friend. This is important. And by the way, this is very important to me because, Tresha, thank you for joining. Oh, welcome from India to Thailand, okay? The bottom line is this. For me, business is a means to an end. It's a means to an end. The most important part about business, to be quite frank, is building the relationships. If you cannot enjoy that part of the process, then you're not much fun, and to be quite frank with you, your days are limited in terms of being a successful marketer, because you've got to build relationships and enjoy it. And be honest with you, we're now on Facebook with this particular Facebook Live. If you're watching me on YouTube, that's not the case. But here on Facebook, one of the things that most people get upset about is they don't get enough likes. Well, you know what? Likes to me don't mean a squirt. If you don't get likes on your post, who cares? I mean, that's just the vanity bit. That's just the ego bit. What to me is important is that people get back to me, okay? And send me personal messages about, hey, I need more information about this and that, okay? That to me is what it's count. And you only get that sort of reaction if you build relationships first, all right? By the way, relationships mean engage. Hey, Barb, thanks for joining. Relationships mean engagement. So I'm doing all the prattling on here, right? And you guys are listening, so you can engage with me and I'll answer your questions. If you want to give me a question, Nabil, thank you for joining. Great. Well, we've got Lebanon, we've got India, we've got UK. Oh, that's fantastic. So tell me if you have any questions in terms of marketing, and keep them simple because I'm not going to go all night. Leave me a comment there and I'll try and answer it. Or just say something, okay? Get engaged. That's what it's all about. The next one, so we've got fear, we've got find, we've got friend. The next one is first. First. A magic part of marketing is to be first. I mean, everything's been invented, right? Well, not really, but still, a lot of it has been. You can be first by coming up with your own unique selling proposition, your USP. Because you are unique. And if you're not sure what that really means, go and talk to Trisha, okay? Trisha can tell you what it's all about. I hope you don't mind getting the plug, Trisha, because this really, you need to be able to distinguish yourself from everybody else online and use your natural talents and use your gifts, okay? And if you do that with your marketing, you will be first. And when you are first, I can tell you, your potential customers will listen to you, right? The next one, fascinated. If you're not fascinated with your prospective customer, I can tell you, if you're faking it, then what's the point? If you're there just for the money, what's the point? You need to be totally fascinated and involved and interested in your potential customer, okay? Because if you are fascinated with them and fascinated in them, then I can tell you they will be fascinated with you as well. Dipanka, thank you for joining, okay? So fascinated is the next F. Fear, find, friend, first, fascinated. I'm going quick. Next one, firm. F-I-R-M, firm. Be firm in your beliefs. Be firm in your values. Do not undermine your values. Do not undermine your beliefs. Do not undermine your services. Do not give away your stuff for free too much. Don't undermine your value to people. This is truly important, okay? Do not be so desperate that you give away your services in order to get some sort of customer at some sort of price. Be firm. Believe in the value you can give to people. And if you do that and you can deliver the results, you are deserving of every bit of income that you earn. So be firm in your beliefs and your desires and your values. The next one, foe. Foe. What's that all about? Yvonne, I put up sign up. Oh, okay. Thanks. Sorry, everybody. Talking to Yvonne, lovely lady. Foe. What's that all about? It means know what your competition's all about. Know what they're on about. Okay. And be quite frank with you. You can beat them at their own game. How? By being you. By being your unique you. Because they haven't got you. You are the only person who's got you, right? The only thing sometimes that's stopping you from presenting you as a USP, as a unique selling proposition, is your belief in you, right? Because maybe you think, oh, I don't know whether I can do that better. Oh, I don't know whether I've got the skills. Oh, I don't know whether I can give that value to charge this much. All this stuff, right? If you have this sort of problem, do me a favor, send me a personal message and we'll talk, not type. I'll talk with you about how you can build your confidence, all right? And I'm no personal development expert, but I've been around the block a few times, so I can share some thoughts with you, all right? So foe is the next F. Then the next one, finance. Sooner or later, money's going to come up, right? Because if it never comes up, you're never going to get a sale, right? And all I'm saying to you is don't get a hang up about it. Do not get a hang up about finance and the money. The bottom line is this: if you have delivered the value that this potential customer is looking for, then finance will take care of itself. If they say no to your offer, or if they say, look, let me think about it, or if they say, I need to talk to someone about this, I can tell you 9 times out of 10, you have not delivered the value they expected. That's the answer, okay? So do me a favor, when you're thinking finance, over-deliver. Over-deliver the value you can give to people. And I tell you, it'll probably take care of the finance problem. The next step, finesse. Very important and sometimes lacking in many marketers. What do I mean by finesse? It's when you need to be able to handle with delicacy and extreme skill some potentially emotionally sensitive areas. If you are dealing, for example, in the make money online niche, then people can be very sensitive about their situation financially right now. And they will not share with you unless you've built some sort of trust factor with them. And when they do share with you, you need to show a lot of finesse and understanding, okay? Because it's highly sensitive to them, highly sensitive. The next one, fun. This is number 10, right? Fun. If you can't have fun doing this, then what's the point, right? What is the point? So there's your 10. Fear, find, friend. I'm reading so I can remember them. Fear, find, friend. First, fascinated, firm, foe, finance, finesse, and fun. If you do all 10 of those things, you will be a marketing success. You will be a sales success, and you'll be someone who is a leader. And if you do all 10 of those things, you're going to get a bonus F. And this is very critical. You will get a bonus F. And what's the bonus F? It is not financial freedom. Don't chase that. Everyone talks about financial freedom. It's a furphy. Okay? If you do all 10 of those things, you will get financial confidence. And if you've got financial confidence that it doesn't matter what happens in the economy, it doesn't matter what happens in your country, it doesn't matter what happens anywhere in your marketplace, you then have the confidence to start again. That to me is far more important than financial freedom. Okay? So there you go. That's my thoughts for you. I hope you found them helpful. By the way, if you're interested in taking this a step further, I've got something free for you. And send me a personal message or leave me a comment if you're interested. It's called How to Captivate Clients. How to Captivate Clients. If that's of interest to you, let me know. In the meantime, leave me some comments. Kaylee, thanks for joining me. Peter, thank you. Oh, great to see you. And do me a favor, communicate with me. I always respond. I always do that, okay? Thank you very much. I know how important it is. Time is to all you guys. If you found some value in that today, great. Like, comment, share, okay? And hopefully see you tomorrow. All the very best. Take care. Many blessings from Thailand. Bye for now.